Zenolite, the high-gloss wall finish of choice for kitchens and bathrooms, around the office or commercial interiors. Zenolite high-gloss panels will transform any room within a few hours, creating a contemporary new look. Zenolite is very easy to use. Panels can be cut or shaped on-site with standard woodworking tools. And the material is much lighter and stronger than an equivalent glass panel. EGR is a world leader in plastic sheet extrusion technology. Zenolite is an advanced thermoplastic acrylic material, offering unsurpassed gloss level, color control, and durability. The color layer is co-extruded within the sheet and will not separate, fade, or crack. Zenolite is ideal for kitchen splashbacks and commercial feature panels, but is not suitable directly behind or beside direct heat sources, such as cooktops. Non-combustible materials such as stainless steel or ceramic tiles should be used in these areas. Inspect the area and make sure it is smooth, clean, and dry. Porous wall surfaces should be sealed with primer or paint and allowed to dry for 48 hours before Zenolite panel installation. Measure the area and decide on suitable panel size. Avoid large cutouts for windows or other features and use panel joints for these areas instead. Allow for 4 to 6 mm joints at all the corners where panels meet. Allow 2 to 3 mm joints between panels and against walls, overhead cupboards and the bench tops. When cutting or drilling Zenolite, always wear appropriate eye and ear protection. Zenolite can be cut using power and hand tools normally used for cutting wood or lightweight metals. You will achieve the best results using very sharp carbide-tipped blades with 2 to 5 teeth per centimeter. Good clamping and support is essential to avoid vibration and potential chipping of the edge. Jigsaws can be used for curved cuts, but only for a short time, so the blade does not get too hot and melt the material. Zenolite can be drilled using twist drills with a steeper than normal tip angle of 110 to 130 degrees. Fine-toothed hole saws can be used for larger holes. Cut from one side and then from the other side to achieve the best finish. Step drills are ideal for mid-sized holes and opening smaller holes into larger ones. Sawn edges need to be planed or sanded prior to installation. A single pass with an electric planer will provide a smooth edge with a neat appearance. Edges can also be sanded using medium and then fine sandpaper. It's a good idea to test fit the panels before final installation, and then make any alterations. Once you are happy with the panel size and hole locations, remove the protective film from the rear face of the Zenolite and scuff the surface with 240 grit sandpaper. Wipe off any sanding dust with a clean cloth. Apply strips of double-sided tape along the long sides of each panel. Apply a wavy 6 mm bead of neutral cure silicone across the entire panel, between the strips of tape. Remove the liner from the double-sided tape. Position the Zenolite panel using spacers where necessary to ensure correct expansion joints are achieved. Apply firm pressure across the whole surface of the Zenolite sheet, starting at the tape areas and working inwards. Wait 24 hours before removing outer masking film. Seal the corner joints with neutral cure translucent silicone. The Xenolite panel should be cleaned regularly using a soft microfiber cloth or chamois with the aid of warm water and a mild detergent. Do not use strong chemicals or window cleaning sprays. The Xenolite high gloss finish can be easily maintained using a liquid plastic polish on a regular basis. Moderate scratches can be quickly removed by manual buffing. Start with a clean cloth and a smooth circular motion. Then use a second clean cloth to remove the polish and buff to an as-new shine. Zenolite has a superior finish to other gloss panels. It's quick and easy to install and is available in many designer colors. Zenolite, the high gloss wall finish of choice for any interior.